Thank you.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच। हमारा अगला अवार्ड है एक ऐसे खास शख्सियत के नाम who gives every director's imagination the strong foundation it truly deserves. The man with the golden touch, Dr. Jayantilal Gada. He has always humbly mentioned that I am not a creative man but a trader of films. Let's have a look at his impressive body of work.
Film studio held by Dr. Jayantilal